Paling Sri Wansian, saya percaya saya adalah orang yang paling awal ambil next bio pada tahun 2021. Okay, what happened? Saya punya usus, usus orang biasa kan hollow punya kan. Saya punya dah dekat tau. That's why the makanan semua tak boleh lepas. It's all longgok. Sampai saya punya usus jadi kembung besar. Can we have the first picture please, Evi? Thank you.
You.
Let me introduce. This is my usus.
Wow.
So usus orang biasa macam ni kan? Betul tak kita punya usus kan? So saya punya usus kan disebabkan sini dia dah lekat. So makanan tu semua dia tak boleh lepas. Dia kembung sampai perut saya besar tau. Macam tembikar dekat sini. So this thing will burst. Kalau dia pecah, mati I. So I have to go admitted at the hospital. So doktor apa dia buat? Dia sebelih.
Operation.
Bedah. Okay. So dia kena kopek dia tau sebab dia dah lekat. Kopek supaya ada makanan tu boleh lepas. Makanan dengan itulah buang air besar. Orang Cina kata pangsai pangsai tu boleh lepas. So I was admitted and then rest in the hospital ICU. After 1 minggu dia lekat balik. Aduh. So dalam 1 minggu saya 2 operation besar. Macam ni.
Oh my god.
2 operation and then I stay in ICU for 1 month plus. So makanan semua tak boleh lepas. So doktor, saya tanya doktor bila I boleh balik? Dia kata bila engkau ada pangsai, engkau ada kentut, boleh. Why? Because bakteria bagus tu dah tak ada. Langsung tak ada, dia tak boleh kerja. Makanan semua tak boleh makan. So imagine in the ICU, I was admitted 1 month plus, langsung tak ada makanan. I was so kurus. And then doktor announce satu bad news, di mana disebabkan tak ada nutrients tu, saya punya jantung dengan kidney about to failure. So saya akan dapat sakit jantung dengan sakit kidney lah. So dia ambil darah saya, dia check langsung tak ada nutrients. So they need to put susu masuk, tapi susu tu tak boleh melalui drip. Dia kena buat satu lubang, tepuk sini, masukkan makanan. Can I have second picture please? So tengok air keluar dah ada satu bag tau. Kalau masuk tu pun kena ada satu bag. I collapse, I cry out so loud. I cannot accept di mana kalau makan tu kena pakai ni, lubang ni. My brother is the doctor. So all the doctor they discuss apa boleh buat to masukkan nutrient dalam badan saya. So the result is 3 days later, they are going to poke a hole here. So, I tak boleh. Waktu tu saya langsung tak boleh makan sebab usus tu belum kerja lagi. Tak ada bakteria bagus lagi. Then, tapi, I tak peduli dah. I cakap dengan suami I, Kiwi, I kata, I don't care. I want to take product BE. I don't want to poke a hole here, I said. So, I start to take Zengoso. You all have Zengoso when you tadi masuk ada ni kan? Ni kan? This thing saved my life. Dalam masa 3 hari, I ambil 1 botol. Because the molecule is very small, I have very confidence to this product. So I pun ambil lah produk ni. 3 hari 1 botol I ambil. So, I tak kira lah usus kerja tak kerja, I kerja dululah. Then I was so weak. Saya punya kaki dah kecut tau. 1 minggu, 1 bulan lebih kita tak ada exercise langsung. Dah kecut tak ada masa langsung tau. So diri pun ada masalah. I cakap dengan dah tinggal 1 minit. So I cakap dengan suami, I tak pakai Aurora pants. I want to walk because I punya usus kalau kita tak exercise dia tak kerja tau. Dipanggil gastrointestinal motility. Dia langsung tak ada klik-klik tau. So I pakai disebabkan saya ada bedah tu kan dekat sini kan. So I pakai 2 helai. 1 sebelah sini, 1 sebelah sini. Kalau pakai 1 helai kita kena sarung sampai atas kan. Saya tak boleh. So saya pakai 2. Lepas tu saya pun pegang dinding tu, jalan slow. I want to get back my strength. So I start pun pakai stocking dengan Aurora. And then after 3 days, wow, I being pushed to the operation room, and then they take my blood to check that time. Tell you what, you look at here, no hole, right? You know the result. After 3 days, nutrients more come back. I avoid myself for being poked here. I was so blessed, so blessed being here for that. Okay, after the operation, I was okay already, out. Okay, masalah besar datang. Usus tu dia tak kerja, so I cannot go to toilet. Go to toilet, yes. Maybe belas-belas hari satu kali. Maybe 15 hari satu kali. So keluar tu macam berak kambing tau. Sikit-sikit macam tu je. So every day we take food, but the out is like that. Memang ada masalah besar lah. So waktu tu 2021, I think 2020 end, I think. So bulan 9 company staff actually founder pass the product to me. Waktu tu aku tak tahulah tentang Nextpire tu. That is the awal-awal punya version lah, not as effective as now. Okay, so last time then I ambil lah. So I kena report balik kepada staff. Hari bulan berapa, pukul berapa I makan, and then apa result makan tu, lepas ada tak berak, ada apa lagi I makan. So every day I have to record and then report to company staff. So long ni tengok tak, panjang tak kan? I report tengok sampai habis-habis kan? I report. So result tu sikit sampai habis makan satu course pun masih macam my case is very chronic lah. And then lepas tu company improve lagi version kedua, ketiga. Then bagi saya makan lagi version yang baru tu, I will ambil. And then improve a little bit. So until the recently, all the 18 pioneer leaders and Xiao Mei lah, Chinina, they all know my case one lah. So every time kalau saya dalam tension and then kurang tidur, then this thing will happen back. I will cramp until I admitted into hospital. Macam DCA you tahu kan DCA 3 hari. Hari kedua biasa ada gala dinner. Lepas gala dinner, setiap DCA lepas gala dinner mesti saya masuk hospital. Every DCA. So Lee Xiao Mei know the best lah. So mesti hari kedua malam mesti tak dapat saya. Every meeting So it's like tradition already, And then until recently, this baru lepas punya DCA is the first time I sit from the first until the end. I still in hotel, not in hospital. So Lee Xiao Mei nampak saya keesokan hari, you ada di sini. I said, Troy, mesti ada lah. So it's because this third version is very, very effective. So I makan dulu punya version I makan satu hari 2 paket saja. But now instructed 3 package kan? 3 package morning, lunch and after dinner. So tapi doktor tu pun ada cakap dengan I kena ambil lebih 2 and then I see the effective. So last time when I go overseas I very susah lah sebab cannot go Pangsai kan. And then Santorini time also, every founding leader know about my case. Every morning bukan tanya apa khabar sudah Pangsai every leader ask me the same question. So I have this problem because of this pembedahan sembelih. So I want to say this Nextpire dia betul-betul tambah good bacteria. So the more good bacteria we have the better we have this health on this part, right? So I nak kata in BE you akan tanya banyak testimoni dia bukan dari satu produk tau. Ramai orang gain good health from variety products from BE lah. So the last testimony is Shiroto and Zengoso. So it helps me in healing. Last time can I have the last picture please? Thank you. So you see my operation from ini pusat from here and then there is another one here the picture didn't show here. So the scar was so bad I cried because I cannot wear bikini anymore. Okay, then I eat Shiroto banyak-banyak spirulina also banyak. So let me show you my scar. No more, right? It was this bad, you know. So BD product really very good. It's in package. It helps in everywhere. So I hope everybody also gain benefit from these varieties product. It's the best product in the market. My sharing is Amelia. Thank you very much.